English Kannada. I will do.
ಮಾಡು.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, grab your headphones. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Today you'll nail the Kannada future tense of to do, make.
ಮಾಡು.
With quick forms, a funny mini scene, and a speedy quiz. Let's go. Your goal today. In the next few minutes, you'll confidently say who will do what, without tongue twists. Target verb.
ಮಾಡು.
To do, make. Focus. Future tense forms like, I will do, you will do, and more. Forms at a glance. Repeat after me, short, sharp, and future ready. I will do.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡುವೆನು.
You will do, informal.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡುವೆ.
He will do.
ಅವನು ಮಾಡುವನು.
She will do.
ಅವಳು ಮಾಡುವಳು.
It will make.
ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ.
We will do.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವೆವು.
You will do, polite, plural.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡುವಿರಿ.
They will do.
ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವರು.
Base verb.
ಮಾಡು.
Mini dialogue. The to-do super squad. Listen once, then echo the bold moves. You, tomorrow, I promise, I will do it.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡುವೆನು.
Friend, relax, you will do great.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡುವೆ.
Coach, pointing at the guy in the cape, he will do the heavy lifting.
ಅವನು ಮಾಡುವನು.
Team lead, winks, and she will do the plan.
ಅವಳು ಮಾಡುವಳು.
Engineer, press this button, it will make everything faster.
ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ.
Squad chant. We will do it, together.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವೆವು.
Manager to the team, you will do the deploy.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡುವಿರಿ.
Crowd cheers. They will do the rest.
ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವರು.
Narrator, dramatic whisper, and the magic word is
ಮಾಡು.
call and response drill. Your turn, say it out loud after me. Keep it punchy. I will do.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡುವೆನು.
You will do, informal.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡುವೆ.
He will do.
ಅವನು ಮಾಡುವನು.
She will do.
ಅವಳು ಮಾಡುವಳು.
It will make.
ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ.
We will do.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವೆವು.
You will do, polite, plural.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡುವಿರಿ.
They will do.
ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವರು.
Speed quiz. Rapid fire. Answer before the ding, then repeat the Kannada. Q. How do you say, they will do? A.
ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವರು.
Q. Polite, you will do. A.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡುವಿರಿ.
Q. Informal, you will do. A.
ನೀನು ಮಾಡುವೆ.
Q. It will make, in one word? A.
ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ.
Q. Base verb for do, make. A.
ಮಾಡು.
Culture tip. Do or make. One verb to rule them all. In Kannada, one hero does double duty. English splits, do, and make, but Kannada often uses the powerhouse.
ಮಾಡು.
For both, need a future? Snap in endings and you're set.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವೆವು. ಅವಳು ಮಾಡುವಳು. ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ.
Your to-do list just became your to-done list. Challenge mode. Create quick lines about tomorrow. Keep it playful. Say, we will do the project.
ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವೆವು.
Say, he will do the report.
ಅವನು ವರದಿ ಮಾಡುವನು.
Say, you, polite, will do the booking.
ನೀವು ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಿರಿ.
Say, it will make a big difference.
ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ.
Wrap up. High five, you did it. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing the future tense with
ಮಾಡು. ನಾನು ಮಾಡುವೆನು. ನೀನು ಮಾಡುವೆ. ಅವನು ಮಾಡುವನು. ಅವಳು ಮಾಡುವಳು. ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವೆವು. ನೀವು ಮಾಡುವಿರಿ. ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವರು.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Explore more lessons at www.synapse-lingo.com. Keep smiling, keep speaking, and do it.
ಮಾಡು.